we're busy trying to push this thing out right now. The DTMs have gotten many of them pushed, the V2 to them, and we've had 0 issues so far, which is what I'm looking for in a rollout, right? Due to the size of this, I'm a little bit more cautious this time because of all the stuff we've added. This release, I don't know how many people have followed me on social media or whatever. I've got quite a few people that look at my stuff. I put a post out there that, you know, most releases are, they're maybe a page, 2 pages. Well, we haven't had a 2-page what's new in our release for quite some time, but this one is a really big release. We had a big release last year with Bendix, actually, yeah, last year. And that was a really big release. The reason I'm really excited about this release is because we touched, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 OE manufacturers in this release in a big way, not just little ways. So I want to give you some examples. We added 5 brand new cat tests, which is a big thing. We added 3 engine tests for Cummins and almost 30 parameter adjustments and settings for Cummins. We added 10 new engine tests for Detroit, and we added almost 40 parameter adjustments and settings, which is huge. I mean, this is huge stuff. We added 7 Volvo engine tests. We added 3 brand new Hino tests. We added 2 Bendix tests and 2 WAPCO tests. So we've touched most of the heavy-duty manufacturers. We even added about 30 tests for a GM engine in a Freightliner vehicle. So that's a GM engine in a heavy-duty chassis, which is a big deal to a lot of our customers, right? A lot of the DTMs and just customers in general. There's a lot of those trucks running around. So I'm really excited for that. So when I say tests, our focus is on emissions-related, diagnostics, very heavily focused on the after-treatment systems. Most of those tests are for those things, right? And your basic needs when troubleshooting. So we've added that stuff for troubleshooting or replacing a part on a Caterpillar when you found a problem with a cylinder, right? So I'm really excited about that. So it's a lot to be excited about. It's not, flashy, it's not shiny really, but it is content that is feature rich that our customers have been begging for. They need this stuff to fix trucks, right? Which, of course, is near and dear to my heart because I come from there too, right? Our customers are me,